What if we told you that India is eyeing an annual foreign direct investment of $100 billion in the coming years? IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw asserts that this ambitious goal is achievable, backed by a consistent growth rate and a well-thought strategy. This strategy is powered by four engines: investment in infrastructure, uplifting the lower pyramid of the population, boosting manufacturing, and simplifying business processes. Indeed, foreign investors have placed their bets on India since Prime Minister Narendra Modi took office in 2014. Notwithstanding the criticism of Modi's protectionist policies, big players like Apple, Samsung, Kia, and Airbus have expanded their operations in India. The nation has become a beacon of investment, attracting a whopping $33 billion in foreign direct investment in the first half of the current financial year, which started in April 2023. This is on the back of a $71 billion influx in the previous year, indicating a steady and consistent growth in the investment landscape. However, it's not all plain sailing. The nation is grappling with an economic paradox. On one hand, it is expecting an impressive growth rate of 7.3% this financial year, the highest among major global economies. On the other hand, it's battling with a sizable population of unemployed youth, a pressing concern that needs addressing. Yet, in the grand scheme of things, these challenges serve as catalysts for change, driving the nation to reinvent and reimagine its economic strategies. The goal is clear: to attract $100 billion in annual foreign direct investment in the upcoming years. This ambitious target is not far-fetched, considering the rate at which global investors are turning their gaze towards India. Despite the challenges, investors now see India as the most important investment destination. But the vision doesn't stop there. India is pushing to be a powerhouse in electronics manufacturing. This ambition is driven by a strategic government agenda, with Information Technology Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw leading the charge. Vaishnaw's role is pivotal in shaping the country's future as he navigates the waters of global business to position India as a significant player in the electronics manufacturing industry. Under Vaishnaw's guidance, India is not just opening its doors, but actively inviting technological giants to set up shop in the country. One such example is Apple, a brand synonymous with innovation and quality. The Indian government is in ongoing discussions with Apple, encouraging the tech giant to expand its manufacturing and retail presence in the country. This isn't merely about attracting global companies, it's about creating a symbiotic relationship where both parties benefit. For India, this means job creation, technological advancement, and a boost to the economy. For companies like Apple, it means tapping into the country's vast talent pool and taking advantage of India's commitment to improving its infrastructure, both physical and digital. The efforts are already starting to bear fruit. The seeds sown today are expected to yield a bountiful harvest in the future. As of now, India is estimated to account for about 12 to 14% of global iPhone shipments. This is just the beginning, and the future of electronics manufacturing in India looks promising. India is currently estimated to account for about 12–14% of global iPhone shipments. So, what does the future hold for India's economic growth and potential? As we gaze into the crystal ball of India's future, we see a nation on the brink of an economic renaissance. With an eye on reaching $100 billion in inflows, India is not just dreaming big, but planning strategically. This isn't a pipe dream, it's a realistic goal. Let's take a moment to consider China. Over a decade, it attracted annual inflows of this magnitude, catapulting its economy to great heights. Now investors are beginning to view India under a similar lens as the most important investment destination. The Indian economy is set to grow at a robust rate of 7.3% this financial year. This isn't just a number, but a testament to India's economic resilience and potential. It's a beacon, signaling to investors globally that India is a land ripe with opportunities. And it's not just about the numbers, it's about the transformation that these investments can bring about. New infrastructure, both physical and digital, will rise. The bottom pyramid of the population will be uplifted, manufacturing will be boosted, and doing business will be simplified. The road ahead is challenging, no doubt. But with a clear vision and strategy, India is poised to become a global economic powerhouse. And you can bet that India is more than ready to take on this journey. So buckle up, because the road to economic prosperity is just beginning.